Hello and welcome to this tutorial about decimal, and we talk about place value in decimals. Now consider a decimal number 75.08925. Mind you, when we read the decimal part, we don't read the number. We read it one digit at a time. So this is 08925. First of all, we will try to differentiate. So here we have two parts. We have a whole number and a decimal number. So this here stands for a whole number. This is a whole number, 75, and the other one is decimal. This is decimal part. All right. Now our interest is here. Our interest is in this decimal part here. Okay, so we want to look at the place value of decimal number. So 75. Okay, 75.08925. Now we know for sure that these are ones, right? And these are tens. Okay, but now we got to look at these. Okay, so what are these? Now when we deal with decimals, and normally when we are looking at the place value, we deal with it from just after the point here. This is the point where the point was. Now these, okay, we are not going to start the way we started the whole numbers, but now we start here. All right, these are called, these are tens. Okay, these are hundredths, and these here are thousands. Okay, that is not the way we write it. Thousand, th, etc. So we have 10,000s, we have 100. So it starts from here. We go this way towards this way, right? So these are tenth, hundredth, thousandth, all right? Thousands, 10,000s, which means that the tenth correspond to first. We have first decimal place. The first decimal place represents tenth. Okay, first decimal place here stand for tenth. Tenth. This way. Second decimal place stands for hundred. This tens is the same as 1/10, while this is the same as 1/100. The third decimal place stands for thousands. TH. This is the same as 1/1000. So etc. Now we have this nature for decimal numbers. All right. So you'll hear sometimes people talking about write this corrected to 2 decimal places. That means you write it to its place value of hundreds. Write it to 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place refer to 1/10th, which means to the 10th place. So This is very important to understand. This is very important to understand the place value for decimals. All right, place value. So we have first decimal place, second decimal place, third decimal place, fourth decimal place, fifth decimal place. It's the same as one decimal place, corrected to one decimal place, corrected to two decimal places. These are two decimal places, hundredth. Corrected to three decimal places, thousands. Okay, and so on and so forth. Thank you for watching, and please join me in other tutorials.